Now let me show you where all of this lives in the interface. Click Customize in the sidebar. This is your customization hub, everything in one place. The first item is skills, so here is the list of installed skills. As you can see on the right, the skill itself is just a text file with the detailed instructions, required inputs, steps, workflows, rules, and what it should do and what it shouldn't. You can edit it just inline as a regular text in those boxes, or you can edit it with Claude, so asking Claude to change specific aspects of this or rewrite it or customize it for your cases. You can install new skills by creating it with Claude, just discussing what you actually need and create skills based on your requests. You can just write it as a plain text, or you can upload it. There is a bunch of websites with a ready-to-use skills, for example, like skills.sh, where you can find hundreds of thousands different skills. But I strongly recommend you to verify all of the skills because some of them may be not correct or maybe contain some unverified instructions. So please, if you use anything from any skills from internet, please triple check it. Now the plugins. Here's the list of installed plugins, which is basically a bundled version of skills plus commands plus recommended connectors. You can add a new plugin by clicking plus sign, browse plugins. By default, Anthropics provide you with more than, I think, almost 20 different bundled plugins for almost every aspect of regular work, so like marketing, customer support, data analytics, design, engineering, finance, human resources. So you can install them, and it already contains all of the useful commands and workflows. You can install your own plugins or find them on the internet. And additionally, you can see if you're using a corporate Claude subscription, you can see organization-wide plugins, which are added by IT team and specifically made for your company. If we go, for example, like for marketing plugin, we can see it contains commands. They're ready to use. They're also text file with instructions, but the one that you can run by yourself when you need it. There are skills, instructions that automatically loads when the Claude understands it's applicable for your request, and list of connectors. It's like a list of recommended applications for specifically for this type of work. For example, like for marketing, we have Slack, HubSpot, Notion, Google Calendar, Gmail, and so on. Let's test some of those skills in Cowork. I'm going to paste this prompt, create a campaign brief for our Q2 product launch, and click Let's Go. We can see like it's starting up, launching the virtual machine, the sandbox where it's running. And on the right, we can see it automatically loads campaign planning skill. We didn't say like explicitly, but from this description, it understood what skills to use. On the right part, we can see the plan that Claude is going to complete. The first was read memory, MD, and project context. We discussed it before. Now it's currently drafting Q2 campaign brief document. And the next steps is going to be save to output folder and share the link. Okay. As you can see, it generated product launch campaign brief. We can open it right in the interface. Yeah, and we can see the file. As I said, the skills loads automatically based on available skills. Claude identified that campaign planning is most applicable one. If you want to run a specific command or skill manually or like explicitly tell Claude what it should use, you always can just hit the slash command and select appropriate command or plugin or command or skill from plugin. You can manually tell the Claude what it should use.